Uncle Dan's Salad Dressings, Dips, and Seasonings brings you another edition of Experimental Girl's cooking class, starring yours truly, GA. Say hi, Experimental Girl.
Hi, everyone.
Yeah.
Hey.
What?
I've got some exciting news. I'm so happy.
What?
I have been promoted 3 times in the last 3 weeks. You know, I started out just as a helper.
Yeah.
Then I became a assistant.
Yeah.
And then I became associate producer.
Yeah.
And now the last I heard, I'm executive producer.
Wow.
Isn't that cool? So I was wondering one thing though, how this works. Are you now my HR person?
If you want me to be, yeah. I can do that. Okay. So, the first time we, Experimental Girl and myself, hung out with Uncle Dan and his family was at his place, and he had a chef there that was creating Uncle Dan's loaded potato salad. No, you do not have to get loaded before you attempt making this. But, as you see, it's going to get messy. Oh,
and
yeah.
It's going to get fun.
Yeah, baby. And that's why I'm all gloved up. We're gloved up.
We're gloved up.
Ready to go.
This is a fun one.
This
is really a good potato salad.
It is awesome.
Great for your Easter brunch or whatever you want to do.
Whatever you want to do. If you just want to go straight loaded potato salad, I'm good with that.
You can do any kind of potato you like. We chose the Yukon Gold.
Yukon Gold. Family
GA got those cut up last night. We got those cooked this morning, and we're going to put those in the bowl.
About a 5-pound bag going in the bowl right now.
Cook it up nice and soft.
Okay.
Get all those
the rest
out.
Of them out of here. Okay. See, there you go.
Got
now, Uncle Dan's.
Uncle Dan's.
This is the Uncle Dan's Creamy Ranch. There you go.
And sprinkle that all over. There we go.
Perfect. Creamy Ranch.
Now comes the fun ingredients.
Now, a cup of chopped onions.
Green onions, yes.
Green onions, yes, indeed. A cup of cheddar cheese.
We do sharp cheddar cheese.
Sharp! Okay. Get that all out of here. Oh, pound of bacon, baby!
1 pound of bacon.
Yeah.
Just cut up and cooked till crisp.
Now, let's see. What would go first? This is the mayonnaise.
Cup of mayonnaise.
Cup of mayonnaise. And because I am gloved up and I'm going to be touching everything.
Yeah.
But a spatula works too.
Here we go.
Yeah, but you know, glove works pretty good, actually.
It does work pretty good.
Okay, and now
2 cups of sour cream. Okay. This is great. This feels good too, man. If you have the right gloves, it feels really good. Okay, here we go. And now all that's left to do is mix.
Mix, baby. Oh.
No, don't.
Get in here. Get in here.
We're going to see how this is done.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay.
You know, I'm gonna have to
and you basically want to get everything covered.
Yeah. Oh, baby.
And yeah, you can squeeze it like that.
Squeeze it!
We happen to cook our potatoes because the
Yes.
Yukon Gold, they have very thin skin.
Yeah.
So we cook them with the skin. Which
Very
makes it
thin skin, like a couple people I
even
know.
easier.
Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Look at that.
There we go.
This is what's so fun. You can even have your kids help you do this, too. Because this is a kid's dream dish, the loaded potato salad. I mean, look at that, man. Oh, wait till we tell everybody.
And you are ready to
I am?
put that in. Yeah, scrape all those sides, get all that mixed.
Oh, yeah.
That's
look at
how easy it is.
Okay, so now I can take the gloves off.
You can take the gloves off and throw them over there in the colander.
Yes.
And
do we have dry cleaning? Because I think I'm going to need it. Is
Are
that
you?
in the budget, Uncle Dan? So I guess I can eat now, right?
oh, that's all you have to do now. That's all that's left to do.
My hands?
Hands are clean.
Can I eat with my hands?
No.
No?
No.
Oh.
I think you're all set there.
What's this?
Oh, sorry. I put your cereal spoon
Oh.
out.
I do eat my cereal with this spoon. Okay, check it out.
Yep.
Uncle Dan's loaded potato salad. You ready?
We're ready. Wow, that's a big bite. Oh, that's his happy dance. Yeah. Okay then. So wonderful. Can't wait to taste it. I would advise, of course, doing this the day before because as those flavors merge, it's even better. I guess we're going to see you next time on Experimental Girls kitchen cooking lesson. Whatever we're doing here.